Hi guys, once again we are here with a very important update regarding Accenture day 1. Okay, so today we are just making video and the time is approx 9 p.m. and the date is 8 August. So many candidates just receive a mail. You can just check it here that the time mentioned is 8:33 p.m. and the mail subject name is action required, prepare for a day 1. So they are the same candidate who received their date of joining on 5th of the August. Okay, they got their date of joining as 25th of the August and they just receive a mail today. It's a action required, prepare for a day 1, and their countdown to Accenture portal will be unlocked on. Someone got a date as a 14th of the August, someone got their date as a 18th of the August. So 1 week before their date of joining, their countdown to Accenture page will unlock. Okay, so now coming to next topic, that many have just still not received any kind of a mail. Okay, so what they have to do? So let me just tell you that we have just contacted to Accenture and many more candidates have contacted, and what the reply they get from Accenture, we are just going to make a video regarding that. So we will just upload the next video regarding that only for those who have still not received any kind of update from Accenture regarding their date of joining or onboarding mail. Okay, so this video is entirely based for those who have just received their onboarding date on 5th of the August, that their onboarding is scheduled on 25th of August and their countdown to Accenture page will unlock on approx 1 week before their onboarding. That is, someone got the date as a 14th of August and someone got as a 18th of August. So let me just show you the kind of a screenshot that they have. Yeah, this kind of a screenshot you are going to get. Suppose you log into our countdown to Accenture portal and you will get there a pop-up that next step ready for action, and it will unlock on 18/8/2022. So need not to worry. Still, those who have not received any kind of a mail regarding date of joining, you will receive it for sure, and we are just going to make a separate video regarding that for those kind of a people who have still not received any kind of update from Accenture after getting their offer letter. So please stick to the channel, share and subscribe the video, and once again thank you for watching the video.